How to start streaming on Twitch on PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can start streaming on Twitch on your PC, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you'd like to start streaming on Twitch on your PC, it is actually quite very simple to do so. First of all, depends upon which app you would like to use for streaming. You can use the Twitch Studio app itself that Twitch has provided by default, or you can use OBS Studio if you want to get a bit more into the advanced steps, depending on what you'd like. So if you're talking about Twitch Studio, it's very simple. Right here, you can see the start stream option. You can simply select the start streaming, choose an application that you'd like to stream from here, this list, and then once done, you'll be able to capture it. If you're using OBS Studio, you first have to connect your Twitch account because this is an external app. Go to the file from the top left, go to settings, then just go to the option called stream that you can find here. Then here in the service tab, you can select Twitch tab. When you select Twitch tab, here you can find the options called connect account recommended. So make sure to go ahead and select the connect account recommended option, and then you'll be able to go ahead and start the Twitch streaming. This way you'll be able to start streaming on Twitch for PC. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.